Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 coloring tutorials. So these are some of the most popular colorings that are like trending now, like the colorings with cool ultra light presets. And I tried to make like the last 2 Android friendly. So the first 3, I'm pretty sure you can't do it on Android because the main like app is ultralight. So I'm very sorry, but if you have like a substitute, maybe you can. But the last 2 are Android friendly. So let's get started. Here are the colorings. So this is the first one. It's like a pink-ish coloring. Here's the second one. This is my favorite. It's like a purple coloring. Here's the third one. It's another pink one, but it's a little less like light. It's more, I don't know, like more on the dark pink side, I guess. Then this one is like a kid core. This one can be done on Android. And here is the last one. It's like, it reminds me of winter, even though like winter and Christmas are nowhere near. But here's how this one looks. And those are the 5 colorings I'm going to be showing you guys today. So for the first one, you're going to go onto ultralight and you're going to import your video. So I'm just going to choose this video. And you are going to use the QR code Take On Me, and I'll put the code on the side. Then you're going to save this as a video. Now you're going to go onto ultralight, and the settings will be on the side, so you guys can just go ahead and use that. This is how it will end up looking. Then you're going to click save. Then you're going to go onto color tone, and this is the last step. So you're going to import your video, and you are going to use, it's called Peach at 47. So you're going to go onto filters, and over here you're going to click collections. Then you're going to click Jasmine Hand, and you're going to scroll down. There's Peach, and you're going to use it at 47. Then you're going to export the video and save it to your camera. And this last step isn't really necessary because it just adds a little bit of color. You can use some other filter if you want, but that is how that one looks. Now for the second one, it's really easy. You're going to go into ultralight, import your video, presets, and I'll put the settings for ultralight on the side. This is how it should look. And then you're going to save this. Then you're going to go into precool, and you're going to click on filters, and you're going to do the filter silver at 66. Sorry, I just needed to check. And also sparkles. So the settings for sparkles is 34 for star intensity, star scale is 7, star rotation is 30, and the filter is 0. Then you can go ahead and save. If you want to add the blur in the beginning, then you can. And that is how that coloring looks, and this is like my favorite. You can change up like a few settings if you don't want too much purple. You know, maybe you can change up the ultralight settings a little bit, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this coloring doesn't look good on like videos where there are like people, like faces, because it makes the face like a weird color. So I'm sorry if you wanted to use this on like actual people like Charlie or Addison, but it just looks a little weird. If you like it, then it's fine, you can use it, but I don't really like the way it looks because it makes the person look purple. So I just like it on objects, but you can do whatever you want. So for the next one, you're going to go into 24 FPS, and you're going to import your video. Then you're going to use the Take On Me filter, save it as a video. Then go on to ultralight, and you're going to select that video again. Then I'll put the settings on the side, but it should look like this. So this one is like a little dark coloring. It's, you know, darker. Okay, then you're going to go onto ultralight, and I'll put the precool settings on the side, so you can just go ahead and use that. Then you're going to go onto color tone once again and import your video. Then you are going to go onto filters, Jasmine Hand, just scroll down a bit, and it is called Cocoa. So you're going to do Cocoa at 100. Here's how it looks, and it is a bit dark, but if you use this coloring with videos that have the color pink in it, it will look more pink. So I'm not giving you guys the wrong settings, it's just that it depends on which type of video you're using. So like this one has a lot of like pink things in it, that's why it looks more pinkish. This video has a lot of like browns, grays, so it doesn't look as pink. Now for the fourth coloring, this one involves Instagram, so you're going to go on Instagram. You are going to swipe from left to right, you know, just like this. Then you can like scroll down and go on this browse effects, and you're going to search up pixie dust. It's going to be the first one. You're going to click this, it's like this bookmark button at the bottom. I already have it, so you're going to click that. After you've done that, you're going to click cancel, come back here, click the little photos thing at the bottom, import your video. So here's mine. Then you're going to click the three dots, it's beside the music button, effects, and you're going to go onto pixie dust, done, and save the video to your camera roll. After you've done that, you're going to go on to Prequel, and this one has the same settings as the last one, but instead for like the blur, you're going to basically remove the blur. Then you're going to go into filters, and filter is Kid Core, and it's going to be at 70, but put the sharpen to 0. Then you're going to save the video. After you've done that, you're going to go into color tone and import the video, and you're going to use the filter. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to say it. And again, this coloring looks different here because this video has a lot of brown colors, like, you know, those type of colors, brown, gray, but I'm not giving you guys the wrong settings. It depends on the lighting, 100%, trust me. For the last coloring, you're going to go again on Instagram, swipe, and you are going to do the same. So go onto filters, and you are going to search up Soft 303, and you're going to click the first one or the second one, so you can click whichever one you want. Both of them are the same, just the first one doesn't have the snowflake things, second one does. But you're gonna save it, go back here, import your video, effects, and I'll just do the one without the snowflakes. Actually, I'll do the one with the snowflakes. You're gonna save that, then you are going to go on to color tone, and you're gonna use the filter Pop. It's basically you go here, and it's in the first collection, you know, like where all the Avalon and all those ones are. You just have to scroll, and you're going to do Pop at 100. Then you're going to go on to Prequel, and it's again the same settings, but this time the blur is at 100. You can change like the blur to how ever much you want, and you're also going to add sparkles. You can add dust or sparkles, it doesn't really matter, but I like sparkles better since there's already like snowflakes. And that is how you do these 5 colorings, and I'm not giving you guys the wrong settings or anything, I promise these are the correct settings, but the coloring does look different depending on the lighting and the type of video. So it might not look exactly like this, or exactly like this, or exactly like this, but I'm giving you guys the correct settings, so it honestly depends on the lighting. Like the coloring I'm using now, it looks different on each video, so you kind of just have to like, I guess, try to figure out which type of videos it looks the best on. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!